Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. I think last 2 or 3 days, may a report be Abraham say Parliament House, 2 MPs they've been diagnosed say coronavirus no they are positive, and 13 Parliament staff also they are diagnosed almost woman coronavirus. Now Embra news no eba bonten they see and say parliamentary respondents for Star FM or no and what they assembly bar bonten say assemble AC ewa Parliament House no. The see and it's a majority leader or say chairman Sabonsu and the public affairs just a parliament one more person will issue parliament person will issue official response via to the public your friend Madam Kate Ado one more babon say make us as Star FM reporter no ediabana intro City FM for FRS Star FM reporter no Star FM reporter no say their work and will name their work and na intro. He will not retract because someone can say one retract is an article no. Or can the pain say the crane unretracted. Until they see and it's a minority chief whip who is also a leader in Parliament House. I friend of Muntaka Mubarak. Eba bontemeka say one tia say or say chairman Sabonsu. Any Kate Ado eba bontia beka say asem na entro. Meanwhile asem na ye cre. Embra won no minority chief whip also can the leaders of parliament no leaders of parliament near enim says asemi and the 2 MPs enya coronavirus no and 13 people who also work in Parliament House also enya inti ya denti and majority leader ebeba bonti ebe twantro na asem na eye ne kre asem a minority chief whip ebe kan no inti esan say minority chief whip ono so eye leader of parliament be kan asem na afei na e wo say asem no wo mo de ne kre eba inti ehona later Kate Ado mobile bonte beka say oh asem ne de wo mo anka say ye ntro de mo kan say ye nye test din wie ye but asem no ne tintini ne tietia ne say na eye ne kre say Parliament House or MPs mienu enya coronavirus no plus other parliament staff working staff or more Parliament House also enya asem ni na no na eye ne kre inti wey ena John Dramani Mahama so eginechi enhu ne say dabi because him say yes Mahama so e kasa wo coronavirus hu a ono de o kan ene say enyema bia na nke wo say aban ye no aban enye aban ka ho bi ena coronavirus no koso e wo Ghana sa no na sa coronavirus yi me de medin kan aka asa agra Ghana ye koyenim akakakra na edu 8,000 cases. Now, you see, one thing about this coronavirus, they say, untumi find your politics. In the week where the president came out to say, oh, I think just within this week, President Nebabontembe can say, coronavirus, no, within 2 weeks, ni Ghana, what share cases are you recording? Is Switzerland. Just say we are recording lower cases, and they just say they are buying, yes, they are buying air cost we. But to see Kuruma when him said that it's not about the abine air Ghana Fangasa, we don't mind. Now within these 2 weeks, I think last 2 days or so we recorded the highest number within these 2 weeks. And I'm also mitika say hey, sa coronavirus o the year politics a begu when him say. President here say what the year politics no. The see here within 2 weeks we recorded the highest number. Afei then a president beka. Naturally say wo kan say number no call form na wo pese wo ka say nhihye pa aban modi ahye internal number no ye hu say call form dia and the last 2 days number you record over 300 cases boom no naturally say nhihye no enye ye because he wanted us to believe say nhihye internal number na call form it is a kosra it means nhihye na nkosu ye inti Mahama ababontin den sama betuja especially on where there be the femu keke but Mahama ababontin eden sem bia betuja especially on a year parliament there no Nembra Mahama kasa no it was on 29th of May 2020 and that may this particular podcast 31st 2 days after now 2 days after no before now you have 7,362 cases on 29th and that may no say cases no 7,800 just within 2 days over 500 cases about the count. Now the Mahama Eka on 29th no asema wa kind was say As of this morning, 29th May 2020, the number of confirmed positive cases stands at 7,362 with 32 deaths. While the 2,412 total recoveries is welcome news, it is also evident from the latest data that the virus is still spreading across the country. Also, reports that the virus has spread to the chamber, reports that the virus has spread to the chamber and offices of parliament is very disturbing. It adds to the urgency of the situation we face as a country. And while it is important to give hope to citizens, it is absolutely necessary to be transparent and communicate the full picture of the extent of the disease. Now, the Mahama Kano, say Embra Parliament, when we say, oh, asem no, Star FM for asem on Bekan, and Yanakre, minority chief with Bab on Tibeka, so Yanakre, and Sana Parliament leaders, Ebeka, so asem no crack, Yanakre, no, and then Mahama Kan. I said, a buying person, ya not say, what did Yama be a Sia Ghana for? Because asem the bar say, parliamentarians say no mo ba bonte beka say nyane until say it imagine say minority chief whip and ba bonte and beka say asem ye ne kra na nka ende still people would believe say parliamentarian bi ani ho a wonya coronavirus no. Meanwhile obi e wo parliament a wonya ana MPs aside MPs no workers a wo mo parliament o mo nya nti dia Mahama ka na say wo mo pese wo mo di sie kokwasa no e ya de bi a emboa ne kra sa coronavirus ya wi sa na ete was the government has unfortunately not managed public education on coronavirus efficiently, while the latest communication creates the false impression that all is well with the management and spread of the disease. The advice from president and other government officials that we should begin to learn to live with the disease suggests that you and I must take our destiny into our own hands as far as COVID-19 is concerned. Now, someone Mahama Eken, let's take politics out. We MPP near Fatun Chain, we NDC news so Fatun Chain, Yankasa, some work on a Yanakana. Tell me whether it is not true. Say, I buy Babontinya Bekasa coronavirus. Tell me whether it is not true. But you get the agency say, oh, Yanakana and you BBR. For me personally, that's how I feel. I am a catcher now for. Say, Ghana for, and yes, I need it. Assembly your bonia, men the dada Ghana phone your kukwasa so assembly crano and yes, sir, Dabi. So assembly a deadlier, my Ghana new who pictures if opeso who pictures are more who videos, more who assembly money cressa assembly say neti and ya grow will be taking it serious. Now, so when government comes out with Sawomo press conferences, President Bekasa. Everyone gets the feeling, say, oh, you're really can ensure that you be serious. And that is personally, I'm talking about me personally. President Becca said, yeah, that's how I feel. Send your work can, oh, your way, you see way, your way, your way within this week, your lower cases, your bombarding, your yes and no. It makes me feel, say, you're really can anyhow. That's how it makes me feel. It's the Mahama Air Canono. So instead say President Baba Bonti Ababeka na Baba Bonti ama yehu nsem no nokre no no mo pese Ghana for feel say o ade ne kra enhye da enye we na ye yesa ade na ebe ma yawe no ekum nkrofo more and that me ne ka say nkrofo be 34 enewu from yawe o be ka say o 34 kra esua na me say sa nkrofo 34 no mu ewu no o na o ka say 34 so na nke yemfa ne say 5 of them every we busu mu kra nka won ka say nkrofo 34 na ewu na esua and yemfa ne say 5 of them kra wu ni momo a ka o di unsa be guti ebuwe and that report about Bedamenim and I don't know they be anchor for the stories but I don't know whether I'll even do this story but ABR I'll do the story Edamenim policeman be policeman ewoko for idia ya ne kuno later during the day maybe I'll go more into the story stories no edoson eya na bi wo ho ayan we don't go into them but mehe later during the day mehe say story no me komo a policeman be woko for idia ya ne kuno and they are he's a breadwinner into omo ka so Ghana there ya ne nkumi nkrofo sana ento ya fa ne say sebe wo wafa bi na de bia wo school fees o ma oska wo wafa bi na yes a policeman ni na ya ne kuna When you say obeka sa asem na wo kan no. Even if one person na yare na eku a, we need to take it serious. The way we've handled this case, this coronavirus, poor, abayo, Ghana for yenina, we failed totally. Totally. Me name is Sofunam, and do 1 week. You can hear live video, me ko boano, ema ye live video. Because as I say, sorry, no live video. So me ko boano ma ye live video. Ye wie ye no, ye ba. Na wo kuro a, just say everything is normal. Now you can once and cross it. Hey! Just be like every single thing is not everyone is going. Hey! Ghana. And then, Mati say president information at Elika Eba say will be in sorry na schools in so my final years na Korea, South Korea. Womo ma yare no eba form. Even France, omo ma yare no ba form. Na yare no ba form no na yo mo say no ano no. E na bomo ebe bie schools. South Korea womo be bie schools. And then womo asanso to school mu. France, womo asanso to school mu. Why? Because omo bie schools no yare no sanso shuti course rubium. Na Ghana de ye fendi agro, ni enka say de ye bie nsori ni ye san nyama no. U de ye fendi agro, me de maka acheme me so for say president kraka say wo bie ni ye mba asori a me de me mba asori. Maka I'm not going anywhere until say a proper medication comes. Ya we be kofu mansa. Me she me dem abompa ya tre me nyankopon. I have said I will not risk it. Inti ana na mahama e kan wa ha no. Your life is in your own hands. And believe it or not, that is the truth. If Fimbra lockdown, president, Emma lockdown, ye say no. And I mean, who said that be? Indirectly, what the president is telling Ghanaians and they say, Unkwa ewa wa wunsem, bohon bain. Ebi ana wa wutie mu ye mebunu ya we ne chiwa ebi ana wo na enye ohwe. Nanso ebi ana de akosan obi, abrewe bi a wontumi. Only nam krom by heart, or the apostle abrewe bi. Hey! Today, Mahama can say this is coming at a time that public education on the disease has dwindled to the extent that observance of hygiene and distancing protocols, as I indicated earlier, appear to be waning. The benefit of wearing face masks at this time is obvious, and I reiterate my call on government to utilize some of the funds from the Stabilization Fund and IMF to enhance local production and free distribution of reusable face masks to especially vulnerable communities and groups. Yari abe afiansi ebe ye voters register. Yakwakan Electoral Commission the omo katra ene say sa social gathering ban no womo nka ho. Hey, oh my Ghana, you see yen kan de kra. You see yen kan de kra because oh, ya ban na waso, oh ye nipa na waso, oh ye nipa na oye we, nti you see yen kan de kra. Untra ma jo comment box mo chief for me da say.